What's up, guys? So today I have an unboxing video of this massive box. Here's the story of this. So I am a big Disney Infinity fan, nerd, whatever you want to call it. And so, you know, I like to collect it, whatever. But, you know, sadly the game is over. They're not making any more. Got canceled. But when 2.0 came out, the second game, the PlayStation versions came with an exclusive collector's edition like this. And it came with a Frost Giant collector's base that you can put your figures on, and it has this giant Frost Giant battling the Avengers that you can put your figures on, whatever, and it lights up and everything. But I played the game on Wii U, and I did not want to pay the price of what this cost just for that base. It was originally $180 for this, so I mean, someone who had a PlayStation 3 or a PlayStation 4, great, that is an amazing collector's piece for you. But for us who don't have a PS4 or PS3, and the price wasn't really worth it. And then it went down to clearance for $60, and I kind of battled between getting it and not getting it. But then just yesterday, the clearance price went even lower to $15. Who would not do that? It went from 180 down to 15. 15 bucks for this really cool base? Let's do it. So that's what I have. I have the PS4 version apparently. I don't even know, I'm not even gonna play this copy of the game. I don't know what I'm gonna do with the copy. Maybe I'll do a giveaway. Then you won't have any figures or anything. I don't know. We'll see what happens. Okay, we have scissors, so let's cut it from this side. Okay, let's push this out somehow. Maybe. We're getting there. Holy moly. Okay, so included are the Avengers figures, so then that. Okay. Ooh, we have some stickers. Nice. Oh boy, okay. Well, there's your standard starter pack. This is what we really want. Ooh, this box is cool. Has Disney Infinity, Play Without Limits, and then on the other side, Marvel Superheroes. Here it is. Instruction manual of how to put batteries on it and turn it on. Because it does light up. I don't know if I mentioned that. Probably did, but things happen. Okay, we're just gonna pull this out. Okay, okay. Here it is. Here. Look at this thing. Holy crap. Dang, this thing's like solid too. Okay, so looks like we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 places to put figures. Has the monster. The eyes actually have white pupils for the eyes. And then it has all these crystal shards or some snow around the actual monster where he's coming out of. It's, yeah, has this little touchpad in the front. And that's how you turn it on. Okay, so we got batteries into it. So, as I said, there's this little hexagonal like imprint here. It's like the Disney Infinity logo, like that. And you just touch that and it lights it up. So press it. So his chest is lit up along with his eyes and his mouth. And then press it again. Press it again. And the whole thing lights up. The places for the figures, the crystals, everything. This is incredible. It is so bright. I don't even know if you guys can really see on the camera. Probably not, but the lights are amazing on here. I am excited for this thing. It's huge though. This thing is massive. That's gonna do it for this video. Be sure to hit the like button. If you took advantage of this deal, let me know, because this is an incredible deal for this. I mean, this thing is amazing. Is it worth 180? No. Is it worth 15? Yeah. So, anyways guys, that's gonna do it for this video. Be sure to hit the subscribe button to see more videos, and I will see you all in my next one. Whoa. Peace.